Welcome to Susan's Place. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first to see it and be notified. Hello guys. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a base cream. First of all, I'll be introducing all my materials to you. First of all, this is my olive oil. This is my stearic acid. This is emulsifying wax. This is my distilled water. This is shea butter. Shea butter is very good for the skin. It nourishes the skin and beautifies the skin. It shines the skin. This is cocoa butter. This is my cocoa butter. This is glycolic acid. This is a propylene glycol. Without propylene glycol, which is a penetrator enhancer, there is no cream you make that would work. Propylene glycol is very good when formulating any of your mixture, any of your cosmetic mixture. You must need a penetrator enhancer to enable it to work. So without propylene glycol, there is no way your mixture can work. So last but not the least, this is our glycerin, vegetable glycerin. So first of all, I'll be measuring in my stearic acid and emulsifying wax into my olive oil. This is our stearic acid, a thickener. And this is our emulsifying wax. So guys, I'll be putting this in a double boiler. I'll be using a double boiling method for this process. So for those of you who do not know how to double boil, this is how you do it. You put a water in a pot or a frying pan. I'm using a frying pan, and then you put your mixture on it and put it on fire. So this will be going into my gas cooker. Stay tuned guys, I'll be back. Hello guys. So at this point, stearic acid and EWAS have completely melted into our olive oil. So this is the point where I add my shea butter and my cocoa butter. So this is my cocoa butter. Don't worry guys, I'll be putting all my measurements on the description box. I do this because I don't want my shea butters I want them to melt naturally. I don't want them to melt I don't want them to melt using the double boiling method. I just want them to melt naturally. I want them to dissolve naturally. So that's why I bring down my powders before adding my shea butters and my cocoa butters. So wait for this to dissolve, wait for them. So at this point we have our cocoa butter and shea butter in here waiting for it to dissolve. So guys, at this point our shea butter and cocoa butter are completely melted. So this is where we combine the oil and the water together. So this is where the oil phase and the water phase are being combined. So let's do this guys. Still a bit hot. Yeah, can you see this, guys? Can you see this? Can you see this? So guys, at this point, this is where we add the next thing that'll be going in is our glycerin, vegetable glycerin. Please guys, leave your comments on the comment section. Whatever you have to tell me, please say it. Then the next thing that will be going in is our propylene glycol, our penetrator enhancer. I've said, like I said before, without this, there is no way our formulation can work. Then the last thing that will be going in is our glycolic acid. So our glycolic acid is very good when formulating our skincare products. So guys, can you see the texture? This is the point where we blend. So at this point, I'll blend this. This will be going into my blender. This is where I blend. So stay tuned, guys, to see. I'm gonna be blending this off camera. I've added all the necessary items that needs to be added into this formulation. So this is the point where I use my blender. So I'll be using a blender to blend this off camera. So stay tuned and see the end process, guys. Hello guys, so we are back. We've blended our base cream and this is how it looks like, guys. This is how our base cream looks like. This is how our base cream looks like. It's still a bit warm. It will thicken more when it cools down. When it finally cools down, when the temperature finally goes down, like it will cool down, it will still thicken up more. Can you see this, guys? This is our base cream. Please guys, don't use the same blender you use for your food. Please don't use same blender you use for your food. I have a separate blender that I use for my mixture and another for my food. So guys, can you see this? So guys, this is how our base cream looks like. This is our base cream. Our base cream is ready. So guys, tell me what you think about this video. Drop your comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Tell me what you think. Drop your comments on the comment section, and don't worry, I'll drop all my lists on the description box and measurements so that you can see. Can you see this, guys? This base cream is so lovely. So with this, you can make a cream, you can make a hot chocolate cream, you can make a baby cream, you can do all sorts of creams with this. You can do a lightening cream with this mixture. So guys, but you cannot do a super whitening cream with this mixture. So this is not a lightening base cream, it's just a base cream that can be used for hot chocolates, babies, you know. So this is it, guys. Our base cream is ready. So stay tuned, guys, and tell me what you think. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified and see it. So guys, see you next time. I love you. Bye.